where I come from, there's not a lot of people willing to take risks. There's not a lot of people who willing to do something extraordinary. You know, people want to be stagnant. Mediocrity is where I'm from, and I feel like in order for me to change people the perspective of where I'm from, you have to move, you have to try different things. Like for myself, I'm working on the app. It ain't nobody where I'm from even thought about doing nothing. Everybody where I'm from, you know what they do? They in the streets, they in jail. I got friends calling my phone right now. They need money because they hungry. I'm like, look, man, I see some money, but I didn't put you in that situation. So a lot of times, being in familiar places is being somewhere where you're from and being somewhere where you can't grow. Sometimes you just gotta get away. You gotta try different things. You have to move out and you have to experience life and traveling and meeting different people and being around valuable people and getting real connections that's really gonna move you towards your dreams and your goals. So I just encourage a lot of people who's scared to take different routes in life, who's scared to stress themselves. You know, a lot of people may have a career goal and it may cause them to move to a different city or a different state. Like you have to take the thing. You have to try different things. Take a leap. In order to get to where you want to go, you got to be a risk taker. We all done took risks. We all done drove 100 miles per hour in the dirt 40. So we take risks doing stupid stuff all the time.
Right.
All the time. Just stupid stuff. So if you can take a risk doing stupid stuff, you need to take a risk that's valuable, that's going to help you benefit your life in the future. So I encourage you again to take risks. Don't get so comfortable with the people that you used to being around, the people that you used to seeing. You would never go being around people who don't amount to nothing, don't want to be nothing. They just want to sit around, you know, do this all day. They don't got no plan. They don't have no vision. They don't know what they want in life. They just wake up and just go by the, just go with the flow. You don't want to surround yourself with people like that because you're going to end up doing the same thing. So value your time, man. I would say value your time. Once again, you got to take risks. And if you're even thinking about moving somewhere, going somewhere far, try it. It ain't going to kill you. Try it. So, just take these words of encouragement, man. Y'all have a good day.
Let me ask you. And I want you to stay right there too, okay? I'm going to ask you two things. One, what made you, and in your life, your experience, what brought investing your time into fruition? Where did you were like, man, where did my time go? Like, what made you really understand that concept?
Sin. That's a good question. I see a lot of people who, I don't want to say ahead of the game, because everybody move at the same pace, but I got friends that's a little bit older than me, and things that they have accomplished. So seeing how people are ahead of me, it's like, how they ahead of me? My gift is just as good as yours. Like, why do you have a house at 30 and I have an apartment? Why do you have a Maserati and I got an Impala? And it's not about materialistic things, but at the end of the day, you do want to strive to be better. You do want to strive to compete. Everything in life is competition. Everything in life is competition. So if you surround yourself with good people who are very competitive, you're going to be competitive. Like naturally, you're going to be competitive. So I would say that just trying to strive to, because it's a lot of people that I know, they have accomplished stuff that was difficult, but they got it done. So it's like, okay, if you can do it, I know I can do it. So those are the kind of things that I see was like, okay, I'm not investing my time while maybe I need to read more. Because in the past, I haven't been reading more. Maybe I need to stop going to lounges. Maybe I need to stop partying. I partied a lot in my 20s. I ain't gonna lie. I did a lot of partying. I spent a lot of money. That's money I could have been saving, investing into my business. So
that's when you say that, it's like even now I'm looking at it in a sense where that time spent, I want to enjoy so much now, but I have this vision on hold, And so my money is spent more towards my enjoyment than the vision. And so I'm in this state of limbo and depression.
You write down all the money you spend and you look at your bank statements. I bet you don't see a lot of other stuff that don't need to be on there. I'm pretty sure they ain't gonna be invested to it. You ain't gonna see it ain't that only. Yeah, I done got me another camera now. You done got you 17 bills. You done got some clothes. You done got 16 haircuts. You done bought your new cell phone, but not saying you can't have fun, but you gotta learn how to balance it out. You gotta do things that's more important to you, that's gonna benefit you. Having fun is really not gonna benefit you. It's not. It's just having fun. So you gotta spend your money and spend your time where it's, where it's really gonna be quality that's gonna benefit your lifestyle, your life, your goals in general.